I'm probably going to cough like fuck. I might have to finish this off in a second here.
Yeah. That's it. That's probably lit now. So you want to lift the ash catcher out. You see all the smoke is in the bong? So if you, that's it, and then there you go.
I think in here might be the hammock spot.
Okay.
See, it comes out there. We're going to go for a bit.
Sick, mate. Bang. I think I'm going to be cozy here. This seems nice.
I think this would be a good night sleep.
Yeah. Me too. Especially once I get their sleeping bag out and stuff. It's going to be comfy, man. Wind's calm enough to bill a zoot. Camo boys.
With the SAS. Contact is what you do. Top secret SAS information. Get a few shots on this side, then we'll go on that side.
Nice garden, man. Alright, bro. I think I want to get a couple shots from there and then I'm good to go.
Might have to come back here for a bit somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can see, like,
a little bit orange there and a little bit over there as well.
Literally, and there's a bit there. You can see where it was going to come through. Win some, you lose some.
Yeah, you know it.
Free hotel in Bournemouth.
Yeah.
I'll bring your own food. Yo, record.
Shit. By who? By who? Oh shit.
Alright, we're gonna have to go.
Yeah, that's cool, that's cool.
Hello, mate.
What are you doing up there?
Taking cool photos.
And who gave you permission?
No one.
No one.
Yeah.
You've no right to do that. This is a private property.
I do apologise.
No, it's not a matter of apologising. I'm going to call the police.
Cool.
You can't do that.
Alright.
Right, you come with me. But if you fell off, we'd be liable.
No, because it'd be our fault.
What?
It'd be our fault.
No, we'd
Yeah.
get sued.
No, but it'd be our fault.
It might be your fault.
Yeah.
We've had people jump, and that would
Well-
be their fault. but
Yeah.
we get sued.
There's fences and that around, so you can just say that we jumped over the fence.
Now we've tried that, and the police say it's your building, it's your responsibility to stop people getting access. We had somebody go up to the top and jump with a
Parachute, yeah. I saw a video of that.
Yeah, you know, and they put it on YouTube and everything.
Yeah.
And if anything goes wrong, we get done. Harley, lock the door. No, you're not going out.
Why not?
Because we're going to call the police. We can't have people doing this.
All right.
Harley, call the police. Harley, quickly call the police.
How are we getting out? How are we getting out? Oh yeah, that way. Nice one, bro. Right, we should get away from the road, innit? Straight to the beach, bro.
You filmed that?
Yeah, bro. Fuck yeah.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Respect.
I knew we just have to dust some old man. Like, in the lift I was thinking, I'm sorry sir, but when we get to the bottom I'm about to disrespect you.
They're trying to escape! They're trying to escape!
I was like, we are going to escape, we're not trying to.
Yeah, we're not fuck trying to.
Like, you got to send me that footage when you get home.
Nice. Oh, your football, bruv. Found it. Mate, the sea looks sick. Actually looks well clear. Oh, look at that bit over there. You see where it's got those lines that go down? It looks like melted, like...
It looks a bit like a slide.
Yeah, it does.
Hey, you can check up the top of that one.
Yeah?
Which is far halfway up it, you just have to jump the fence.
Yeah.
Accidentally get lost looking for our football.
Yeah, I'm up for that. That'd be sick from up there. Everyone's going to be looking at us though.
Yeah, but our football is lost in it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's an emergency light.
Is it? Bro, the view from there will be sick. I'd love to do that. This could be sketchy. Just take it easy. Yeah, loose.
Well, we literally just slip past and no one noticed.
I know. But the thing is, people are going to really see us when we're at the top.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying.
These rocks look mad, look.
This is the proper climb up there. Oh, fuck. Good job behind a Red Bull. Whoa, there's a snake, bruv. No, fuck that.
What, you serious?
Yeah, bruv.
What?
There was a snake.
I thought you were joking.
Oh,
There are actually snakes in this country, but they're not dangerous.
that one was fucked.
Bro, I've never seen a snake before. Not in like wild.
I'm lucky.
Oh, let me see it. Oh, mate, I really want to see one. That's two you've seen. Fucking hell. How big are they?
They're only small. They're not slow ones though.
Are they thin?
Yeah.
That's mad.
Right, that's where it was.
I'm fine, bro. No one's looking at us. This is weird.
Yeah, we literally just slipped up. People just minding their own business.
Fully, yeah. I thought everyone was going to be staring at us, pointing, looking. No one, literally no one. That's mad. It's great though. Coastal Explorer, look. Wait, stay there for a second. Just look that way. Look towards the thing. Yeah. Nice, man. Alright, sick. Hey, they wave back. You good, man? Getting waves from the Coastal Explorer. Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Right, let's go.
Let's go now, innit?
Let's go.
I think we're alright.
I'm scared of snakes now.
It's alright, bro. I would like to see one on the way down. I know you don't, but I'm going first, innit? So I should encounter him.
Watching us. Oh, fuck her.
Nah, she ain't. She's talking to that guy, mate. What are you on about?
Looking.
So what? As soon as we're off the cliffs, we're not doing anything wrong.
Yeah.
To be honest, we're not even doing anything wrong right now. It's public land, mate. This rock is mad. Like the way it's all like in pieces like that. Look. But it's all like, it's one rock, but it's all cracked.
Whoa.
Careful,
I'm good.
Don't go falling down here.
I'm gonna regain control. We're good now, I think.
Hiya.
Yeah, you know, obviously you're not allowed up there.
We lost our football.
What's the reason?
There's a lot of nesting
Loose.
birds up there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so there is actually,
two.
on the Wielding Clay, there's actually adders there.
Yeah.
So you're right, yeah.
He saw two.
Two up there.
Two, yeah, right at the top.
So yeah, obviously their habitat, that's why we don't allow
No, I do apologise. We're not from around here. We're trying to take a cool photo. I do apologise.
Yeah, not very cool photos up there. I've been up there.
No.
It's rubbish.
No, we just thought there'd be like no response around here. So we do apologise.
No, that's alright, cool. As long as you're not going to head back up there.
No, we're done now, yeah.
we're going.
Cheers. Nah, bro, fuck that. I got some bangers up there. I don't know what she's on about. Got some bangers.
I thought they'd think it was adders. They were like black and white.
Oh, really? They weren't green?
They were like sort of grey black colour.
That's fucking crazy.
No, they definitely weren't green. And one was like one was red.
Jeez.
One was like a coral snake sort of thing.
That's mad, bro.
She was cool though.
She was super calm.
At least she told us why we're not allowed.
If there's nesting birds, why don't you put a sign that says nesting birds?
You put a sign that says fucking poisonous adders.
Just says no access. Keep off cliffs.
Should be a sign that says poisonous adders.
Yeah, that would put people off.
That would put me off.
Oh mate, there's a wedding here. Look.
Oh man.
That's why they saw us.
Yeah, it was probably in the background again.
Bro, look how visible it is. We're at the top of that.
Whoa, there's a snake, bruv.